Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It's kind of not a nice day today, so we're going to do a lot of things around the house. We might run a few errands, but it's supposed to snow later, so I want to get things out of the way early if possible. But first we're going to make some coffee and some breakfast, and I bought a new table cover to be wintry and Christmassy and Vlogmasy for the kitchen table, so we're going to do that too. Got a new tablecloth for Christmas. It's actually more wintry. So first things first, replace the table cover. There's some snow coming. For breakfast, I took 2 pieces of this bakery bread that we bought yesterday. I very lightly toasted it, and this is the salsa that I made yesterday. Usually salsa doesn't taste quite the same the next day. You don't want to eat it as salsa. It gets a little more oniony, it gets a little thicker, but it makes a really good breakfast. So what I'm going to do is just spoon this onto the bread. And that is breakfast. A little spicy, but yum. It goes surprisingly well with coffee. The Spanish call that dish pan con tomate, which is just bread with tomatoes. But it adds a nice spicy flavor to your breakfast. It's probably really good with eggs too. It's a nasty day. We're in the car. We're gonna get our errands out of the way before it starts to snow. Hopefully it won't snow. It keeps saying like 30–40% chance, but we'll see. So first we're gonna go to lunch, grab something at the local diner, and then we're gonna pick up some wine. So here we go. I'm sticking with the flavors from breakfast. Maybe I'll have a theme today. Spicy foods. Got myself a vegetarian quesadilla. Lunch complete. No snowflakes yet. Cross your fingers. Now we're on our way to the wine store. When there's snow in the forecast, some people rush out to the supermarket and they buy milk and bread and bottled water. I rush to the wine store. What can I say? I've got my priorities straight. One of my favorite aisles. And one of my favorite wines. Check out that price. Another favorite. I like this one too. Actually, I've never met a Prosecco I didn't like. I think we're gonna make a paella for dinner, so we're gonna get a Spanish wine. This is one of my favorites too. Very reasonably priced. I'm going to make this cake. I'm going to add chocolate frosting. It's our day of spicy foods, so I made a spice cake, which I'm frosting right now. And I will put a link to the full recipe in the description box below. You can find it on my website. I'll put a link to another video where we actually make this recipe with shrimp. All we did this time was substitute chicken. But all the steps are there if you want to make this yourself. Got my 2 hot sauces on the side. I like the green one and the chipotle one. And we're ready for dinner. It's been a spicy food day. Wait till you taste the cake. Let's see what today's tea is. It's Relax, a deeply soothing fusion of organic chamomile, fennel, and marshmallow root. That sounds lovely. Well, I've already had a piece of the spice cake, well, as you can see. Now, I really only had one. I've shared it with other people. But this is actually much better the next day because all the spices have a chance to merge together. So what I'm going to have instead with my tea is a little rainbow cake. It's one of these. Classic Italian rainbow cake. They're so good. They're almond flavored and they have a little jam in the middle, a little raspberry jam, and they're covered in chocolate. So now let's taste this tea and see how it is. That's good. I can taste the fennel. Well, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed day 2 of Vlogmas. The problem with being stuck inside because it's supposedly going to snow, even though it is now 9:42 and it hasn't snowed yet. They threatened us with snow all day. But the problem is when you stay inside, you just want to eat, you know? So we did eat a lot today, but it could get boring when you're stuck inside, but we ate spicy food to make it a little more spicy of a day. So thank you for joining me. I hope you join me tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and I'm gonna go to the dollar store and see what kind of Christmas things they have there, and then we'll see what else we get up to. So I'll see you then. Bye.